Hi friends, this video shows how to remove fingerprint lock if not needed. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So you can see this phone is locked with a password. So either we need to enter pin or use fingerprint. See. So I want to remove that fingerprint lock. So I will show you how to remove that. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Tap on lock screen. Then tap on lock screen type. So here we need to enter current pin. Done. Here you can see list of screen lock type. So right now I have enabled pin and fingerprints. So let me disable fingerprints. Just tap here and disable fingerprints. Done. So this way we can remove fingerprint lock. So after that, let me go back. Then lock the screen. Unlock. See, now it's asking only pin. I need to enter the pin to unlock. So this way we can remove fingerprint lock if not needed. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.